Yo, what's up? It's your boy Flip, 1/5 of the Coke Boys, out here in Houston, Texas. Don't sleep on it. Want to shout them out because they doing a crazy thing right now as far as the AIDS awareness go and all that, you know. There's so much going on right now that we not paying attention to, and it's so easy to get caught up. Just cousins, groupies. Don't think the road, being on the road, run around with these girls and all that, that ain't cool, man. A lot of y'all girls need to tell them to wrap it up too, though. Y'all ain't even telling dudes to wrap it up. Y'all just running with it. It's on both sides. And they don't just come from females, come from males and females. So pay attention, man. See this right here? Huh? See that? Don't sleep on it, man. Wrap it up when you sleep on it, though, man. All right?
It's your boy French Montana. Now what everybody know out there that's serious. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you might be out there getting drunk, drugged up, everything you're doing. But, you know, strap up and practice safe sex. Don't sleep on it, because it can happen to you.